Welcome to a fascinating exploration at the intersection of nanotechnology and environmental health. Today, we will discover how nanorobots are emerging as key tools in protecting our environment. Nanorobots, thanks to their tiny size and high precision, are perfect for monitoring air and water quality. They can detect contaminants and toxins at levels never before possible. Not only do they detect, but they also take action. Nanorobots are being designed to collect and neutralize harmful substances, from microplastics in the oceans to toxic waste in the soil. The impact of these tiny robots is enormous. Their use could significantly reduce pollution and help restore damaged ecosystems, leading to a more sustainable and healthier future. Despite their great potential, the development of nanorobots for environmental applications faces technical and ethical challenges. However, research continues to advance, promising revolutionary innovations in the field of environmental health. Nanorobots could be the guardians of the future of our planet. Stay connected for more discoveries in the world of nanotechnology. Subscribe to explore the future with us.